Hello there, I'm Mary Ellen and this is my channel. Life is messy, but I am learning as I grow. Here you'll find DIY crafts, plant-based recipes, videos of my cats, and all the beautiful chaos of my real-life endeavors. Nothing's perfect here. I'm just figuring it out as I go and sharing the messy magic along the way. If that sounds like something you are into, subscribe and follow so we can keep growing and learning together. Today we are making a DIY pet ghost in a jar. Looking for a fun, easy, and budget-friendly Halloween craft that's perfect for kids, teens, and adults? This pet ghost in a jar is the cutest little Halloween buddy you'll ever make. Using simple supplies, you can create a spooky cute ghost decoration that's perfect for your mantel, bookshelf, or Halloween party table centerpiece. What you'll need: 1 clean, dry glass jar, 1 small pill bottle or similar small container, 1 golf ball or small foam ball, sheer ribbon or lace, Mod Podge, paintbrush, 4 tumbling tower wood blocks, 1 popsicle stick, black acrylic paint or permanent marker, wire ribbon that looks like vines or grass, hot glue gun plus glue sticks, fabric piece, scratch art paper or black cardstock. Make your own Halloween buddy. Prep your jar. Wash your glass jar, remove any labels, and dry thoroughly. Create the ghost shape. Place the pill bottle on your work surface and balance the golf ball on top. Cut sheer ribbon into 4-inch long strips, about 3 inches wide. Lace also works beautifully for a vintage ghost look. Using a paintbrush, coat each ribbon strip with Mod Podge, then drape it over the ball and bottle to form a flowy ghost shape. Repeat with 3 to 4 more strips until you have a full ghost. If you're really excited for Halloween, leave me a boo in the comment section. Pour or brush more Mod Podge over the top and smooth the ribbon into shape. Allow it to dry completely. Build the base. Hot glue 4 tumbling tower blocks into a square, then attach a popsicle stick upright in the center. Paint or draw a ghost face, 2 eyes plus 1 little mouth, with black paint. Wrap vine-like ribbon around the block base for a grassy ground cover effect. Assemble your ghost. Gently remove the hardened ribbon ghost from the ball and bottle form. Glue the ghost to the popsicle stick so it stands tall. Glue the base and ghost inside the jar. Cover the bottom with more green vine ribbon for a polished look. Wrap ribbon around the lid for a burst of color. Decorate the lid. Wrap the mason jar lid with fabric, letting some hang down. Cut a circle from scratch art paper or black cardstock and write "Pet Ghost" or your ghost's name. Your pet ghost in a jar is ready to spook and delight. Optional ideas: use lace instead of sheer ribbon for a Victorian-style ghost. Add glitter Mod Podge for a sparkling effect. Add a battery-operated tea light candle or a string of fairy lights. This DIY pet ghost in a jar craft is a must-try if you love cute Halloween decorations. Tell me what you would name your ghost in the comment section. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Subscribe and stick around so we can craft and cook through the holidays together. I've got so many fun DIYs, recipes, and cozy ideas coming your way. Don't forget to check out my older videos too. There's plenty of holiday magic waiting for you there. Let's make this year messy, fun, and full of memories.
See you next time.